Good morning, students. Today we will study real life problems involving more than one operation. So it means here in this type of in exercise 5F, we will solve some question where is more than one operation. Means there will be addition, there will be subtraction, there can be division, there can be multiplication. So it will be combined of all these things. Okay. So in our real life, whatever the problems, whatever the situations are coming, so how we are dealing with that, how we are solving that type of question, so that we solve in exercise 5F. So here the first question is, we have the book storekeeper order 25 books of mathematics for rupees 90 each. Okay, and 32 books of English for 80 each. How much does he have to pay in all? So that is exercise 5F, question number 1. Okay, so this question number 1, how we will solve? Let's see. That is, first of all, in this question it is saying that the cost of 25 book is, number 1 is our cost of 25 books, math books. So first we will find the cost of 25 maths book. Okay, तो इसमें क्या है, 25 बुक्स मैथ्स का निकालना है. एक बुक का कॉस्ट है 90 रुपीज़. एक बुक का कॉस्ट है 90 रुपीज़, और वैसा कितना सारा बुक है 25. सो नाउ वी विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ मैथ बुक्स. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, एक बुक का कॉस्ट 25 है, 90 का कितना होगा, ऑफकोर्स मोर, मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई वी विल डू. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 90 multiplied, how many books are there total, 25. So we will multiply it. So you will multiply 0, 5, 4, and here you will get 0, 8, 1. Okay, now add it, 0, 5, 2 and 2. So what is the cost? This is rupees 2250. This is the cost of how many books, 25 books of math. Okay, now secondly, there is also one, also we buy some books, 32 books of English. So we will again find the cost of 32 English books. Okay, so again same process we will do. So the cost of one book is 32 rupees. So how many books are there total? There is total 30 books, 32 books, and the cost of one is 80. So we will multiply these two. So you will get, here is 0, 0. Now 8 2 ja 16, 24 to 26. Sorry, here will be 25. Now 0, 6, 5, 2. So this is our cost of 2560. This is the cost of 32 English books. Now how much money total we paid? This is we paid for the math, and this money I paid for the English. In total how much money we will pay? So total amount we have to find out. So we will write total paid. So total, so first of all this money we write, this is rupees 2250 plus 2560, both we will add. Okay, so rupees 2250 and rupees 2560. Okay, now this we will add. So 0, 11, 8, 2. So total how much money we paid? 2000. Sorry, here is 4. Okay, now total how much money we paid? 4810. Got it? So how did we solve? See here, in these are the process we follow. Okay, first we find the cost of 25 books, then 32 books of English, and then after we add all. Got it? Okay. Now next question number 2 we will solve. Question number 2 is that John was paid 125 each day when he worked as a salesman. जब वो सेल्समैन का काम करता था तो उसको एक दिन का कितना रुपये मिलता है? 125. Later he worked as cook and he paid 5 rupees an hour for 12 hours. अब बाद में वो क्या किया, कुक का काम करना है, एक और काम है कुक का जो वो करता है, उसके लिए उसको 5 रुपीज़ मिलता है 1 घंटे के लिए, ठीक है। और वैसा दिन में उसको कितना देर काम करना पड़ता है? 12 आवर्स, मीन्स उसको एक दिन का 60 रुपीज़ मिलेगा, 12 इंटू 5। तो अब आपको ये निकालना है दोनों का डिफरेंस कि ज़्यादा वो किस में कमाता है, वो एज ए सेल्समैन और एज ए कुक, ठीक है। तो सो नाउ वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Okay, so first of all, as a salesman, he earn in a week how much? So that we will get, first we will find that one. So for that 125 rupees for 1 day. So how many days is working? Actually we have to find for the 1 week. So in a 1 week how many days? 7 days. Okay, so in a 1 week, so multiply by 7. So you will get it rupees 875. So he, when he work as a salesman, he earned 875 in a week. Now when he work as a salesman, sorry, as a cook, so now how much money he will earn? So as a cook he earn in a week. Okay, so in a week what he will earn? So as I told that 5 rupees for 1 hour. So in a 1 hour how many in 1 day he works for 12 hours. Okay, then after this is for how many days? Like 7 days he is working. So now we will multiply. So 12 5 just 60, multiply 7, again it will be 470, sorry 420. So he earn as a cook 420 and as a salesman he earn 875. So of course as a salesman he earn more, so how much more he earn? So that we have to find the difference. So for we have to get the difference of both two, difference of earning, that is what we will do, we will subtract. So rupees he was earning as a 875 as a salesman, and as a cook he was earning 420. So what we will do, we will subtract these two. Okay, then we can get the difference. Okay, so here will be 5, here will be again 5, and here we will subtract, you will get 4. So what is the difference? 455. Got it? So this is your solution of question number 2. Okay, as a salesman 875, as a cook he earned 420, so their difference is 455. Got it? Okay, now we will solve question number 5. Got it? Now question number 5 we will solve. See, question number 5. Mr. Saxena divided a sum of rupees 98,000 equally among 3 children. Mr. Saxena पापा हैं उन 3 बच्चे के, उन्होंने क्या किया, 98,280 को उसने 3 अपने बच्चों में बराबर बांट दिया, ठीक है। सो कितना रुपीस था? 98,280, ठीक है। और इसको उसने क्या किया, 3 लोगों में बांटा, उसके 3 बेटे थे, 3 लोगों में उसने बांटा, ठीक है। तो पहले का नाम था विशाल, ठीक है, दूसरे का नाम था विकास, ओके, और थर्ड का नाम है विनीता, ओके। इन तीनों में उसने बांटा, ठीक है, इस रुपीस को। अब तीनों को इक्वल बांटा, इट मीन्स 98,200 will equally divided among these 3. So what we will do, divide means we will making the group. So first of all we will divide it. So first we divide it, because how much money they have they got. So how many are total? 3 are there, so that 398,280 we will divide. Okay, so how many times? First 3 times 9, then 8 will come down, 2 times 6, that will be 2, then after 2 will again down. So how many times? 7 times, that is your 21. 1 will be, then after 8 will so 6 times 18. So here I will write 6 times. Okay, now this 0 is left, this 0 will come down, this 0. So this 0 is not divided, so we cannot divide 0 by 3, so I write this 0 here. So 32,760 they will get. So this 32 means each this his children will get how much money? 32,760 they all will get. He will also get same 32,760. He will also get same 32,760. Now in this question, now Vikas has he buy something, he purchased book, iPod and paid for the canteen. So he some money he has spent it. So how much money left with the Vikas? So I have to find out the Vishal, money left with the Vishal. So first of all, Vishal expenses I have to find out where he expenses. So Vishal expenses. So his expenses is, first it was rupees 3,525 for what he spent. This is for he books. Then 9,870 for the iPod and 4,250 for the canteen charge. Okay, so next this is 4,250 for the canteen. So all together, so what we will do, we will get the sum. So rupees, here will be 5, here will be 4, here will be 6, 7, 1. So total 17,645 he expanded. Okay, his expenditure was 17,645. Now I have to find the remaining balance. Okay, so balance amount of Vishal. Okay, so how much money with him? So total he got, this is his total 32,760, and this money he, this is the 17,645 is expenditure. So what we will do, we will subtract it to the total money. So from total money we will subtract 32,760 and his expenditure was 17,600. इतना उसने खर्च किया था. Now we will subtract it. So here will be the subtraction. So there is the rupees 15,115. So now with the Vishal, how much money there he has? 15,150. Got it? So how did we solve this? See, first we divided this total money among these three children. So they all got 32,760. Then after Vishal's expenditure 17,645. Then total amount minus his expenditure, we got the balance. Got it? Okay. So this exercise 5F, all the questions you can solve easily. Okay. Now order of operation. Order of operation means there is like a positive, means like addition, subtraction, division, okay, multiplication, all are combines are there, means combined question you will get. There is the operation of all these. So you have to how you will solve this type of question, where is the division is there, multiplication, addition and subtraction are there. So there are some rules that you must know. What is the rules? You can see this is the first rule, very important one that you must know. ओके, द फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन विल ऑलवेज ऑफ द डिवीजन. सबसे पहला काम किसका करेंगे? डिवीजन का. गॉट इट? द फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन वी विल ऑलवेज डू डिवीजन. सेकेंड ऑपरेशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ओके, एंड थर्ड एडिशन, देन सब्सट्रैक्शन. तो सबसे पहला अगर ये सारा चीज़ एक साथ मिले तो सबसे पहले किसका करेंगे? डिवीजन का, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, इसके बाद एडिशन का, फिर सब्सट्रैक्शन का. ठीक है, अगर ये एक साथ सबको एक ही क्वेश्चन में ये सारा कुछ हो तो आप कैसे करेंगे? इसको याद रखने के लिए भी है डियर मदर एंड सिस्टर. डी फॉर डिवीजन, एम फॉर मदर, ए फॉर एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दिस बोर्ड मास, BODMAS. In the next class, in the higher class, we will study this one also, BODMAS, board mass. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, this B stands for your bracket, okay, this stands for, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for your multiplication, A stands for this, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Understood? So you can see the preference. So in this board mass, first B will miss bracket, we will do the work first, bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So now in this chapter only you have to study about this DMS, means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So how these operations are done, you can see some examples is there. Suppose here see division there, addition there, multiplication as well as subtraction is there. How did they solve? First of all, this work will be done. Okay, see here 6, we will for 24 will divided by 6, what is the answer? 4. So I write here 4. Then rest the same we write, then this 2 will be work 10 minus, then after plus work 10 plus 4 14, then 7. Okay, some more example you can see here is also. So here you can see first here is the division, so first work of the division. Then see multiplication is there also, so second work of the multiplication, because I told what is the rule, first work will be of the division, okay, then multiplication, first is work for the division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Got it? Last is your always subtraction. Okay, see they have done the operation like that. So we will solve some question from exercise 5G. So first question we are going to solve, question number 1. Okay, this number 1 we will do solve. Question number 1. So for this type of question, what we will do, there is, you can see number 1, 39507 minus 18499 plus 45981 minus 20798. Okay, we have to solve. So here only plus and minus are there. So what we will do, first we will add all the plus 1. This is the plus 1 and this is the plus 1. अब यहाँ पे देखो कुछ साइन नहीं है इसके सामने, इसका मतलब है वहाँ भी प्लस ही है. यहाँ पे कुछ साइन नहीं दिया है ना, इसका मतलब है वो भी प्लस ही है, पॉजिटिव है. पर फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. सो 39507 प्लस 45981, इसको ऐड करेंगे पहले. ठीक है, इसको ऐड करेंगे, वी विल गेट 88458. ठीक है, अब एक एक करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ये वाला पहले इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, फिर इसके बाद इसको भी करेंगे, एक एक करके करना है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट वन बाय वन. सो फर्स्ट वन इज माइनस, दैट इज 18499. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट So you will get it here 9 8 9 6 6. Now we will subtract this one, this number. Okay, so subtract it. Subtract, that is 20798. Now subtract it. Here will be 1, here will be 9, 1, 6 and 4. Okay, so what is the answer? 46,191. You can see how I solve. Okay, first these two we have added, then after I subtracted this one, then again I subtracted this one, and this is your final answer. Understood? So first we have, because what is the rule? First division, then multiplication, then addition, then lastly subtraction. Okay, so this is the preference of the operation. Okay, if we perform some operation, so this is the preference. Next, question number 3 we will solve. Question number 3 is that 10 plus 15 divided by 5. So this question is very easy. Number 3, 10 plus 15 divided by 5. So you can see here is the, आप यहाँ देखो क्या है, यहाँ पे प्लस है और डिवीज़न है. तो सबसे पहले किसका काम करेंगे? डिवाइड का. ठीक है, सो इस दोनों को पहले एक साथ करेंगे, बाकी को आप सेम लिख दो. इसको वैसे ही लिख दो आप 10. ठीक है, ये वाला प्लस भी वैसे ही आ गया. अब आप 5 से डिवाइड करोगे 15 को कितने टाइम्स में? 3 टाइम्स में. ठीक है, तो इसके बदले अब क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? वी विल राइट हियर 3. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या क्या मिला? 10 प्लस 3. सो वी नो 10 प्लस 3 इज योर 13. सो दिस इज योर आंसर 13. ओके ओके. Now question number one more we will solve. Okay, let's see. Question number 7 we will solve. Okay, so here we are going to solve question number 7. Question number 7 is 883 multiplied 37 plus 21,504 divided by 84 minus 5,937. So first of all we will see there is a division. Yes, so it means we will work the first of these two. Okay, rest will be same, बाकी हम वैसे ही लिख देंगे जैसे था वो. ठीक है, तो ये 883 मल्टीप्लाई 37, यहाँ पे प्लस है, इस यहाँ पे लिख दिया. अब पहले इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, इस पूरे को, इस दोनों को. तो अब इधर पहले हम लोग डिवाइड कर लेते. सो वी विल डिवाइड 84 डिवाइडेड बाय 21,504. ओके, सो आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, आप 84 का टेबल लिख लेंगे. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करके. सो हम इसको आप 2 टाइम्स डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 168. तो इधर से मिल जाएगा आपको 470. इस ज़ीरो को डाउन करेंगे. अभी आप फिर से करेंगे 5 टाइम्स, यू विल डिवाइड, यू विल गेट 420. आप टेबल लिख लेंगे 84 का, देन इट विल बी इजी. देन यू विल गेट इट 550. sorry, here is 50 and this 4 will come down, this 4 will come down, so 504. आप 84 का टेबल में चेक करेंगे, एग्जैक्टली आपको 6 टाइम में ये 504 डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज़ द क्वेश्चन? दिस इज 256. अब इस 256 को हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. वी विल राइट हियर 256 in the place of this all. Got it? Now here is minus 5,937. Got it? Now next we will do equal sign. Next we will do, here is the multiplication. So because division work is over, पहला डिवीजन का काम था, हो गया. अब किसका काम है? मल्टीप्लाई का, उसको करेंगे. अब इस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है, आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे कहीं पे. तो आप जो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इस दोनों को 883 और इंटू 37, यू विल गेट 32,671. इसके बाद इधर बगल ये था 256 और दिस वन वी विल राइट 5,937. गॉट इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट अब क्या है, प्लस वाला है, इसके सामने कुछ नहीं है, मैंने क्या बताया था, प्लस है, किसी नंबर के आगे कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई भी साइन नहीं, इसका मतलब वो प्लस है. तो पहले क्या करेंगे, वी विल ऐड दिस टू, इस दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. आप इस दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा, इसको आप ऐड कर लेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 32,927. ठीक है, और इधर में है 5,937. ठीक है, अब इस दोनों को ऐड किया तो ये मिला, बाकी वो सेम था. ठीक है. Now next what we will do, we will subtract. So now these two we can subtract. So when you subtract you will get 26,990 and this is your answer. Got it? See how I have done. These two divided, so I got 256. Then after multiply, then after addition, first operation is here, second here, third here, and this is your fourth. So this is your solution number 7. Okay, now one more question we will do. I hope you are getting. Okay, last one I will solve, number 11. Okay, so number 11 we will solve. Question was, that is 20,493 divided by 99 multiply by 800 minus 170 multiply by 180 then minus 62,500 divided by 25. So in this question you can see there is a 2 times division is there, one is here and one is here. It means सबसे पहले इसको भी डिवाइड करेंगे और इसको भी करेंगे एक साथ. ठीक है, तो आप इसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे साइड में कहीं पे. तो जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, इसको 99 से इसको आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 207. ठीक है, अब इसको डिवाइड करने के बाद आपको मिलेगा 207. बाकी आप सेम लिख देंगे, रेस्ट वी विल राइट द सेम. इसके बाद ये 170 मल्टीप्लाइड 1, जिसका अभी कुछ भी काम नहीं हो रहा ऑपरेशन, उसको हम लोग सेम लिखते जाएंगे. ठीक है, और इसको भी डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि डिवीज़न है, एक साथ होगा डिवीज़न. सबसे पहले आप इसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे साइड आप. ठीक है, जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 25 का टेबल लिख के इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 2,500. ठीक है, जब एक बार आपका ये पूरा हो गया, अभी आप इसमें फिर हम लोग चेक करेंगे. वी विल सी दैट हियर वेयर इज द ऑल द वर्क ऑफ डिवीज़न इज ओवर, नाउ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अब इसको और इस दोनों को हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे फर्स्ट. ठीक है, सो नाउ दैट वी विल डू. सो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट वी विल गेट, इस दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 165,600. ठीक है, माइनस, और फिर आप इस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 30600. ठीक है, और बाकी इसको आप रेस्ट ये इसको ऐसे ही लिख देंगे. गॉट इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी देयर इज ए प्लस माइनस. यहाँ पे कुछ साइन नहीं, इसका मतलब क्या है, प्लस है. तो अभी क्या करेंगे, प्लस वाला कोई है नहीं तो ऐड करना है नहीं, तो हम लोग माइनस करते चले जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इस दोनों को माइनस करेंगे एक साथ. ठीक है, इस दोनों को आप माइनस करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ देन यू विल गेट 135. ओके, अब उसके बाद इस ये वाला सेम लिख देंगे इधर 2500. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू, we will again we will subtract these two. So when you will subtract you will get 13500. You can put the comma. So 1,32,500 is your answer. You can see how we have solved this one. First we have performed operation here, division, then we have multiplied, then after addition, because only one addition is there, so then so we will not perform that one. Now we have subtracted these two, I write this one, then after subtracted these two, and this is your answer. Okay, So hope you can solve exercise 5G. Thank you.